Here we have the Viper VIP2 Remote Control. We're going to show you how to remove the cover and replace the battery if you need to replace it. We'll flip the remote around. It's got one screw on the back. You're going to use a small Phillips screwdriver. Remove the screw like so. This cover kind of clips in there, so you gotta pry it open like that. Be careful that the electronics don't go nowhere. They stay intact inside the cover to protect. Remove the battery. Here you have the 12-volt battery. It's a 23A model. You can also purchase this in our website. The remote control inside, it's got the little dip switches, which you set on the receiver as well as on the remote. If it's the if it's the VGS 13 control board, you don't need to open up the cover to set your dip switches. Just simply hit the press the P1 button on the VGS 13 circuit board, and it will program the remote control without you opening the cover. This pretty much concludes the how to replace the battery on the remote control. Also, thank you for watching our videos. Don't forget to click on the bottom link if you want to subscribe for future videos. Also, don't forget to hit the thumbs up if you like the video. Thank you.